all you have to do is keep up and keep the fire burning. That's all you have to do because first and foremost, you really have to show the world that you believe in yourself.
Yes! Sir Andrew, una sa lahat, this is Ana.
Yes, nice to meet you
Ayan.
finally. I'm Ana po.
Pero ito sir, wala pa rin talagang kupas ang nag-iisang Andrew E. No?
Oh, thank you.
Patuloy na kinakanta at ginagamit sa videos ang hit na songs nyo pa rin, sir. Anong masasabi nyo or advice nyo, message niyo sa mga aspiring rappers nowadays?
Yeah, before anything, and of course, I really do appreciate you, and of course, your show, I appreciate you. Together with me, mga kaibigan, make some noise for Joe T. Okay, going back to the question, like, anong advice? All you have to do is keep up and keep the fire burning. That's all you have to do because first and foremost, you really have to show the world that you believe in yourself.
Amen.
And then, when the world sees you, that you believe in yourself, then the world will follow suit. There you go. Yun po aking advice sa inyo lahat. At keep it going all the time. Believe in yourself and do not and never relinquish your talent because the only talent you have is God-given. Protrude it and show it to the world.
Amen.
Amen.
Ang ganda nun. Thank you for that